Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today here I'm going to show you how we install this tracker, this tracking device. Okay, and remember when you have a car, you should always be able to access the car, whether you are around the car or maybe you have parked it somewhere else. So I'm going to show you step by step how we install this tracker. This is what we call a relay. Okay, there we have it. So we also have the socket here. This is the socket for the relay that has 5 pins. Okay, but we'll be using just 4 pins in this. Okay, I'll make you understand why. And from there we have this now tracker. This is the tracking device itself. Remember, uh, this tracker you'll have zero subscription per year, and you can be able to switch on the car whether remotely or even when you're far. You can have to shut the car in case you feel unsafe or the car you have given us to someone else. So this is what we call the device, tracking device. Okay, we also have this joint here. This is the socket, and I'm going to explain to you step by step how you install this slowly, step by step. So this has 4 wires. This is what we call, we give the power. That's a permanent power. That's 12 volts. Okay, this one here, the color code is red. We also have this black. We are going to connect to the ground. This is the earth. Okay, we are going to connect to the ground. So from there now we go to this other color. This now, this what this I think this orange. You understand, colors with the men sometimes we go off, but this color, I think this we also have this other yellow. We are going to connect to this relay here, and the yellow one we are going to connect with the power on. So in case you switch your car into on, you are going to notify the car, the tracker has been turned on. Okay, so remember, this tracking device we are installing to you can be able to uh, uh, show location for more than 3 days in case the power has been disconnected from the battery. Remember, it has an internal battery, and this actually saves your car from theft. Okay, so these days you understand the car theft syndicate has been overrise, and it's very safe, by the way, to install such things. And in case you need such a service, you can remember to reach out to us. We have very affordable rates for these packages. We have this tracking device. We also install cut off and also alarm. So we also do ECU repairs and tracking. We also do tuning and programming for the keys. So that's it. Step by step, I've shown you everything, and now you can be able to install a tracking device on your car. You just need the configuration. This is the motherboard. So yeah, you install the SIM card here, and just simply like that, you are now good to go. It's very easy to install, but be sure you need to have the basics of electronics and understanding the how the tracker works. So the other thing we have, yeah, you can see the power is on, the antenna is there. Every signal that sends you can be able to command it to on and also off. Just wherever you are, you can be able to switch the car on and off. Kevin Auto Insider, I'm out. Thank you for your support. I'm going to bring you more episodes.